Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at these OEM style headlights with chrome housings and clear lenses for 1997 to 2003 F-150s. If you've got a set of faded, foggy, or just plain messed up headlights on your F-150, then these are going to be just what the mechanic ordered. These are a complete OEM style replacement set that will refresh your front end and keep your factory look without that hefty factory price tag. Now, headlights are one of the first things that you notice on a vehicle, and of course they play an important role in keeping you safe behind the wheel. Beyond just their stylistic properties, they need to function well too. And this set of OEM style lights are just that. They're essentially factory style replacements that will bolt right in place of your originals, keeping that original style. Now inside, they keep the chrome housings and the clear lenses of your factory lights. You also get the corner sections here for the turn signals, which also retain the orange reflectors. Now the solid chrome housings here mean that these are going to be built to OEM standards. The outer lenses are also the industry standard polycarbonate, meaning that they're going to be resistant to cracking and fading over time. Now these are again designed to mimic your factory headlights, and they use your factory bulbs and connectors, making them a total plug and play operation. They also retain your factory adjustment points, and all of that combines to make these DOT and SAE compliant, meaning they're fully street legal. Now, as you can see, this is a full set of headlights. And for the set, as you see them here on the table, you're gonna be looking to spend about $150. And for a full setup, that's really about as inexpensive as they come. Even buying just one of these lenses directly from Ford would probably cost you just as much, maybe even a little more. Now keep in mind that these do not come with any bulbs, and there's nothing really fancy about them, no LEDs or anything like that. However, you can just reuse your old bulbs, making replacement easy and cost effective. Installation is also quite easy, coming in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and they should only take you about 30 minutes to complete. Taking these lights out of the truck is pretty simple. You're just going to need to swap over your bulbs. No wiring or anything like that. Also, make sure that you take some time to get these properly aimed and adjusted once you've got them installed. And to show you just what's involved, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers right now.
What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to install headlights on a 97 Ford F-150. And the headlights we're installing are OEM clear chrome headlights. Now these headlights will fit year model range 1997 to 2003. And the tools that we're going to use today are 1/4 inch ratchet, 7mm bolt, nut, 1/4 inch extension, Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic pry bar. You can use a screwdriver, but just make sure you don't scratch it. Now to remove the headlights first, we start off with the 2 tabs at the top, and we pull these up about 1 inch. And we'll just use the pry bar to pry the headlights out. Start with the outside corner first. And we unscrew the headlights so they can pull out. We unscrew the holding retainer and pull back, and we can pull the headlights out. Set these to the side, and we unplug the headlights. And we can use these over again. We set these to the side. To remove the side marker, we take our 7mm nut, attach it to our 1/4 inch ratchet and extension. And we pull our side marker straight back, straight forward, and we want to unplug the side marker lights, hold the 2 tabs to the side and push straight back. Now make this a 1/4 inch turn, counterclockwise, and pull it straight out. And we can use this over again in our new side markers. Now, new side marker has a Phillips head screw, so we want to remove that. And place our new used light in our new housing. Once you place it in, you want to turn it clockwise. Enough to clear the mounting bolt. Plug this in. Make sure it's turned good. All right, we're going to slide these straight back along the groove. And we're going to line our hole up. Now we're going to screw in our retaining screw supplied with us. We're going to put on a small washer to help hold it in place. Now we have to take our new headlight, unscrew the retaining screw, we're going to plug in our bulb, and now we're going to plug this up and slide it back in place. All right, we just slide these headlights straight back. Might have to use a little force to get these in here. There we go. Snap down the retainers. Alright. Once we push it in place, push the clamp down, and we start on our next headlight.
That's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the OEM style headlights with chrome housings and clear lenses for 1997 to 2003 F-150s. Thanks so much for watching, and for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.